Okay, everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I got a little quick video for you today. Now, Penn National, I had this big gap up when Disney and ESPN decided they're going to go with these guys. Money changed hands. Everybody got real excited, real lathered up for about 15 seconds. And then after that, the stock just traded down. I mean, essentially 20%. From the high to the low, it traded down 20% in 3 days. Okay, that's a big chunk of change that the bulls are losing. However, the stock has found support here, which is essentially where it was over these last few months. So I bought some of this today. I also sold some puts on it down here. I had sold some calls for a minute, and then to turn it into a covered strangle, which I like to do on stocks like this. But ultimately, I said, you know what? I don't even want to cap the upside by selling calls, even though I'm bringing in money, because I think the stock is likely to go a bit higher here. And so anyway, I took this trade. And again, the idea is that I can sell puts down here. I sold the 23s. I can sell puts down here. Actually, I sold the 24s. I'm just remembering that. So I sold some real close to at the money puts, and that's taking in extra premium. If the stock does fall back, I'm happy to take more stock because this is certainly looking like a bottom. You see the big downtrend that we've had, but for the last for the last few months, this is stabilized as opposed to printing these lower lows. So this to me is looking really like more of a basing pattern than anything else. And so I just decided, you know what? I'll take a few shares and we'll see how it goes. This is a totally different type of trade than, say, a trade on Meta, which is pulling back a bit, drifting to the 50-day moving average. And then if you're buying this, you're buying what I call a touch and go, where the stock drifts down to a key moving average and then starts running higher, and you're keeping your stop right here. Totally different trade than this one, which is really like a dumpster diving, bottom fishing trade. Let's get away from Disney. It sucks. So anyway, that is how I'm trading these types of moves. And it just really depends on what the chart is doing. You don't want to be trading stock specific. You want to be trading chart specific. If you're getting this kind of thing, know that it's a short-term rental. To expect this to happen is magical thinking. All you're trying to do is just take advantage of the little in-betweens here. If you're trading Meta, you're taking a position here or close to it. I'd give this a few more days. Earnings aren't an issue. Making sure that this thing is stable right around 300. And what you're trading is you're trading this bounce. Nice little moves higher here and then a pullback, and you're trading that right there. So anyway, that is how I am trading Penn, and I'm also trading Meta in this way too. So I hope that helps. If you want more analysis like this, check out stockmarketmentor.com. Our premium stuff is awesome. I mean to tell you, our trading room is even awesomer. So I want to see you there to make it the awesomest.